Alright guys, today we're going to be changing the fog lights bulbs on 2004 Chevy Suburban. We're going to be upgrading them to the HID 5000K 35 watts ballast. So first we're going to get down here, put something to lay on the ground. You don't really need to jack it up, you know, because it's not sitting there low. I mean, you can if you want to make your life easier, but I mean, this is the housing right here, and this is the plug. So hope it's not locked in here, because I believe this fog light wasn't working. But the other side is, you want to grab this and you want to twist it. Just hoping it's not locked in there. Let me see if I can twist this. All right, guys. Let's see. There it goes. Just a kind of a little tight. Probably was blown, looked blown. That's why it wasn't working. But after you do that, be careful not to drop none of that rust to your eye up under this vehicle. But you just want to pull your this little tab back and pull the light out. All right, this the light right here, and these are the fog lights right here. The ballast. Before we plug the ballast and everything, we're gonna try to get these bulbs in here. It should fit because it's not that much opening in the space. That's why some of them LED. That's why I chose not to go with the LED lights on here, because some of them LED lights be too bulky for the hole. But these look like they should fit just fine. Let's get this out of here, and then we'll screw the bulb in first. All right, guys, I can't stress this enough. Try not to touch the bulb with your hand. You know, like the glass part, or any of that part that got to go up in there, and just get it. Hold on, look at this. All right. It's hard to film and do this at the same time. So just like get it up in there, and then twist it until it locks in place. Try to get it in the hole, twist it till it locks in place. All right, guys, put it up in there and twist it to the right till it locks in place. And now we're gonna plug the box up, the converter box. I'm gonna try to strap it somewhere up there, maybe on that harness, because I want it to be out of the way of the water. I don't want to mount it nowhere down here on this frame, so I'm gonna try to strap it up there on the harness so it'll be out the way. See up there, somewhere up there along them harnesses up there. All right, guys, just the plug that went to the factory harness. Normally on the HID kit, it plugs right into the, see this the box, it plugs right into that plug, but it won't fit. So, but that's okay, and that must be why they gave you the extra parts for this, on the fog lights. They gave you this harness right here. Let me see, you can see it. They gave you this harness right here. Let me get from up under here so I won't have to, so I can show you this harness. Alright, guys, see, this the HID kit right here. The plug won't plug into there, because normally it plugs into there and these plugs into the light, but they gave you this harness just in case. So I'm gonna have to plug this into there and then put these two pins into the harness on a what's the name, the factory harness for it to work. So let me do that. All right, guys, so I plugged that other plug, the other plug into here, and then the plug off the harness. See them two pins? You plug it into the plug, and then we're gonna tape this up right here The red goes into the purple side, and the black goes into the black side, because the purple is positive. And then this right here, these other two plugs into the light. Self-explanatory. The male into the female part and the female into the male part, and then it should come right on. We're gonna test it out now. Bam, you see how bright that is? See how bright that is? I don't know if you can see it because it's daytime, but then look over here at the other one. That one looked like dim and pissy yellow. And then this is super bright. It's hard to tell because of the it's daylight, but yeah, trust me, camera don't do it no justice, but they super bright. All right, now let me get that taped up there, and then I'm gonna strap it up, and then I'm not gonna do the other side yet. Okay, well, I'm not gonna film myself doing the other side, because you're gonna do this same thing to this side as you done to the other side. So let me get ready to wrap this up, and then we'll be done with this video. All right, guys, I just popped the headlight out. I mean, you don't have to, but I just did it. You know, check out my other videos to pop this headlight out. You just want to twist these pins and pull them up. There's one right here and one right here, and it pops right out. And you pull it right out. But I pushed the balance beam up to the HIDs. I pushed it up here, and then I strapped it. I don't know if you can see it, but I pushed it up there and strapped it right there, so it won't fall, and it'll be out the way in the wintertime. Like all of the water, the snow, slush, and all that stuff, it won't mess it up. See that? Those the lights. And then I pushed it up there, then I strapped everything so it won't fall or be dangling, or it won't get damaged from the water. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. And that's how you install the fog lights, or procedure for any basically bulb lights, to plug it up in there. But if you're doing HID, it's obvious it's more, you got the mount and all that stuff like that, but that's how I install them. All right, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share this out, turn that notification bell on for future videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.
Perfect.